Can you hear them making noise?
No, I hear Brittany and Maddie.
Tell them to be quiet. They're snorting and grunting and stuff.
He's got to stand right in front of him. That's what he right there. Terrible guy.
And here comes one to butter right back. I didn't see the road, man.
Is there a ranger down there though?
Okay.
Oh, look at how close they are.
Hey, take my picture.
There needs to be a park ranger.
Keep your cameras on there. You might see something you can put it on YouTube.
I'm very surprised that there's not a ranger down there.
Those the dogs are insane.
Look at them walking all through the campsite. That's so weird.
That would be scary.
It's like the alligators in the environment.
Yeah.
There's more coming from up north.
Are they? Ask your dad. Are they feeding?